right, so we're going to talk about, this is just a high level overview of technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. As traders, there are certain things that inform the decisions we make when we decide to go, to take a trade in one direction or the other. Right. And so I want to talk about technical analysis that focuses on price action, and then fundamental analysis that focuses on the underlying company. A basic definition of fundamental analysis is that fundamental analyst or analysis takes the view that it is economic forces that drive the prices of an asset. Okay, they use the fundamental information that they have, the economic information that they have, to give value to the asset that they are trying to place some kind of value on. They use data that is publicly available. And when you want to get such information, there are so many sources for it. Almost every trading platform that you go to would have some kind of news information telling you about a company, about a stock, about a commodity, even about forex currencies. And so fundamental stretches from all asset classes that you can think about. When fundamental analysts are working on, when they are looking at an asset, they are looking at the numbers and the quality of the company. All right. They are looking at the brand value of the company. How, you take Amazon, how valuable are they? How do people perceive them? If you take Facebook, what is the public perception or investor perception about such a company? Those are some of the things that people are looking at. They are looking for the recognition. When we are talking about fundamental analysis, they are looking at the recognition of the company, the management of the company. How strong are they? What is the constituent? What type of people are running this company? And you can look at those kind of information to gauge the potential or the value of a company. You can also look at such quantitative information, such as the dividends, the earnings, the sales, the book value. You can look at valuation ratios, such as the PE, which they call the price to earning ratios. Most of this information, it's mainly finance and accounting based. However, they are available, and if you know how to use them, you can apply them to any asset class and value that asset based on all the information that you are gathering. As to technical analysis, fundamental analysts are looking at the value from the perspective of the economic information. But technical analysis help us make a better decision about the direction of the stock or of the underlying asset for that company. Now, when we are day traders, okay, day traders typically focus on technical analysis because that is what informs us about the price action. And we say we are looking at, where is price going? What is the auction telling us? What is the volume that is coming into decision making for various actors in the market? Why is the price going up? Why is it going down? We are not necessarily focused so much about the fundamentals. Although the fundamentals give us an idea, we are focused on the price action, purely on the price action. If you're a technical analyst, or if you apply the technical analysis to any company, then you are more focused on the price action. Okay. Technical analysts use historical data to estimate what the price is going to do in the future. And this is mainly based on the fact that technical analysts believe that data informs us about patterns, and these patterns often repeat themselves. So if you can go back, let's say, an hour, a day, a week, a month, you can get all that information, and that information would help you figure out how people behaved in the past when a price were at certain levels, It could be at a support level. It could be at a resistance level. How did at the actors in the market react to the price during those times? How did they react during those times? So now, when they are thinking about that, it's okay. If they reacted in this way before and the same pattern is being repeated now, then there is a high likelihood that they are going to behave the same way again. Technical analysis can be applied to any market and to any instrument. You cannot necessarily do that with fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis has got some drawbacks that you cannot necessarily apply to day trading. Most fundamental analysts are people who are very long-term investors, right? They are looking at the company and thinking, okay, how is this stock going to behave in the very long term? And so they want to buy and hold, or they want to sell and hold, whichever way direction they take. But technical analysis can be applied to any market, any instrument at any point in time. And I've listed some differences here. When you want to be a fundamental analyst, you spend a lot of time reading so much information. You have to study the cause of those in the information that you're getting. Why are the economists giving certain valuations? It takes a lot of time. You have to look at the intrinsic value of that stock as well. You have to It also includes economic and industry company analysis. There's so much information out there regarding fundamentals that when you are a day trader or a short-term trader who is looking to go in and out and make money, it doesn't really pertain to you. Some of it would help you, but not a lot of it. Now, on the technical analysis side, it's a quick study. Uh, you can know the effect of the study as soon as you take it because you can see the past, and that is what you are basing the future on. The study can be placed on charts very quickly. You cannot have visual analysis of fundamental. We don't have charts for fundamental analysis. But when it comes to technical analysis, we do have, charts that you can use, the candles, the indicators that you can pull on the chart to make a determination as to what the price action is going to be. Okay. You can also look at the price, you can look at the volume, you can look at the open interest as to how many people are interested at buying at certain levels. And so you go with the flow.